Hey y'all. In case you couldn't tell, I'm inside. I don't want to be inside. I want to be outside. But the winds have picked up. We've got gale warnings and blah blah blah. It's cold and windy. Too windy to try to eat snacks, which is what we're going to be doing. I can't see what's showing on the camera, so hopefully you can see me okay. So anyway, we grabbed some new Indian snacks. It's Indian Snacks Part 2. DOS! Today we got Kashmiri Mixture, spicy blend of split mung bean noodles, potato sticks, and cashew nuts. And we have a Bombay Mixture, mild spicy blend of crispy noodles, lentils, and peanuts. Bombay Mixture, I believe, is the most common Indian snack blend you'll find if you're looking. And finally, the one I've been looking for all this time, Gujarati Mix. This is the bomb. It's a sweet and spicy blend of chickpeas, flour noodles, rice flakes, and peanuts. I've been looking for it. So, let's just open things up and see what we got. I'm excited. Easy seal to keep contents fresh. These are all, once again, from Haldiram's, because that's where my supplier gets his stuff from. Oh, I see. Oh, look at that. It is an easy open seal pouch. Don't really get much of an aroma. It's seeds. It's Can you see? Can you see? One of my cats is rubbing up against the stand. So this is all small pieces. They're now all over me, in my beard. It's so hard to get a good beard grooming these days. It's everywhere. Anyway, it's mild. It says spicy, but it's a mild spicy. Tiny little pieces. Oh, there's a little bit of spice now. I like the handy seal. Yeah. So, I'm going to lay that next to the sleeping cat beside me. Bombay Mixture. These are tiny little pieces, but pretty good. Cut here. It doesn't have the handy little thing. So this is Bombay. All I'm getting out so far are the crispy noodles. Which are pretty good. I'd like to try some lentils and peanuts. May have to cheat my little chair thing. There we go. Peanut. Lentil. It's okay. It's mostly noodles. Probably all the lentils and peanuts are at the bottom. So that's not bad. Not my favorite. This is what I've been waiting for. Don't look at me like that. What? My cat's wondering why I made such a strange sound. Okay. Now, the Gujarati Mixture. If I can, there we go. Just grab a little handful. Sweet and spicy. You got different textures, you got the crunch. So this and the Kashmiri Mixture are the winners in this bunch. I knew this was going to be a winner though, because I've had it. Maybe I can take the Bombay mixture and just mix it in with one of the other mixtures and come up with another mixture, a mixture of mixtures. There's really only 3 ingredients. It's so-so. So, that's what we've got. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Indian snacks. So I'm going to be happy for a week or so. And then I'll have to go hunting some more. And thanks for watching this special indoor edition of Taste Tests. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!